Going on, everybody? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at advantage on the market. Guys, so today's stock that we're breaking down is Apple, or ticker symbol AAPL. I love breaking down this stock. It's such an easy chart to read, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. So we're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily time frame or the daily interval. This allows us to apply a lot of things that we need, like finding our resistance and our support line. It allows us to find our entry and where we could put our stop loss and all this good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive in. So we're up almost 1% for the morning, you guys. This top line represents our major resistance line. We could test that. We could see that we came up, got rejected in this area, pulled back down to our minor support area, came up, kind of had trouble breaking past this level, gapped up, and what used to work as resistance will work as support if you break past that level, which we did. We had this candlestick shoot back down into that support level, came up, broke through this level, created a lower low, pulled back up into this same vicinity, the same area as our resistance, ultimately pushed it back down under our support. And like I said, what breaks past as support will work as resistance, or vice versa. So you can see that once we broke below that, we try to push up, we hit resistance, that minor resistance area, pulled back down, pulled up, hit this minor resistance, and ultimately pulled back down. And then we tested it a third time. We finally gapped up above it. And now that we're coming up, we created this reversal here. We can see that we hit minor resistance right here. We had this top over here. So there are different levels of major support lines and resistance lines. Like down here is our major support line. This is our minor one right here. So you have two options on getting in this stock. The first one, which is the smart one, would be to wait until we pull back down and pull back down onto this minor support. Have your stop loss on the opposite side. So this is the $127 area, or the $128 area would be a good entry to catch this, because we can see that we just created this breakout and now we need a break, because look how much we've been pumping. This is also on the daily time frame, so that also shows that we are overextended. Even on the RSI, you look at the RSI, we're overextended. We have all these tops up here and starting to pull back. So the best entry and the safest entry is to wait for us to pull back down onto this minor support. That would be a 50% retracement, which is perfectly healthy for an overextended stock or a move. So back down here at the 128, you have your stop loss below that, maybe in the 125 area. Give yourself some wiggle room just in case we peekaboo below that and then return higher. And then obviously your second option would be back up here at the 138 area. Wait for us to break above this level for it to come back down and retest this level to show that buyers are still stepping up. And that would be at the $138 level, and then have your stop loss on the opposite side of that. So you have two options. As of right now, like I said, I would wait. If you are going to be the super aggressive trader, you could get in right now and just have your stop loss below the $130 area. But like I said, that'd be a super aggressive option. For the safer traders, like I said, we would wait till we pull back down into this minor support area at the 127. Have your stop loss below that to protect your account, because we always protect our account, you guys. That's money management, and that is key in this game. And then the other alternative is to wait till we can break above this major resistance over here, and for us to come up and come back down and retest this level. And then that would be another good entry, and then have your stop loss below that. But as of right now, you can see if I zoom in, this trend line used to be below these candlesticks. Now that you can see that we hit that minor resistance and it's starting to push it back, now we're under this trend line, you guys. So that is a good sign that buyers are no longer stepping up. We're trying to cool off, you guys. So you can see how much we've been pumping up. If you're going to run a marathon, you're not going to take a 15-minute break and run another marathon. No, you're going to take a nice cool off break, and then you're going to start running and pumping again. So this would be the perfect area to get in. This would be the 50% area that we're looking for. Now, if we do pull back and continue higher, like I said, I would wait till we can break above this minor resistance. And also, if you are that aggressive trader, like I said, you could get in, but just have your stop loss in the $131, $133 area, and then your first target would be back up here at the 138. So let me just check the volume real quick. The volume is at 11 million. Beautiful. But other than that, I hope this really helped you guys. I try to make these as fast and efficient as possible. If it did, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means a lot to me. It allows me to make this content every single day for you guys. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.